In this video I will give you a complete review about 21-day flat belly fix program. And also check the link in the description below for more detail. Are you among the same category of those individuals who are struggling with obesity phase and trying to get rid of that large belly or tummy fat with no success rate at all? Of course, it's a truth that many individuals find themselves struggling with overhanging belly region that requires immediate reduction. Did you ever experience scam feeling following several programs or product that promise to trim the belly fat? There might have been several tries regarding the efforts and steps to perform for losing weight, but in the end, you feel cheated. After crossing the age of 35, many individuals experience weight gain process and they find it tough to reduce weight in quick time zone. Today the program we are going to discuss will be of great interest to you and is popularly named as the Flat Belly Fix. About the Flat Belly Fix. As soon as you hear about this latest program named as the Flat Belly, you need to set up your mind that it is a weight loss program available in the form of ebook attached with several tutorial video sessions. It is one of the best diet program that drive to deliver 100% accurate success results. It shares some amazing secret to lose weight in one of the simplest forms that are convenient and affordable to use. While using such a program you might experience to lose around 23 pounds in only 3 weeks of time. It would be one of the simplest steps to lose weight compared to other conventional programs you tried. Many weight loss programs charge a high price for the products, but with the Flat Belly Fix you get a set of 4 principal guidelines such as 1. The 21-day system. 2. 7-minute flat belly protocol. 3. Smoothie recipe guide. 4. VIP online coaching. The basics of this best fitness program start with the collection of ancient ingredients that were used by our ancestors to maintain optimal strength and health status. It is not all about any pill or voodoo spell, but it's all about secret ingredients that are easily available at the nearest grocery store of your location. In westernized countries, many individuals are unaware of these secret diet techniques that could be achieved through common ingredients. As a result, these are not utilized to the cooking purpose and individuals are unable to maintain their proper weight count. The program is not for the training purpose of ingredient preparation, but it describes how to involve them in preparation of healthy smoothies. Along with that, the exercise regime available with this program gives you the tutorial to eliminate the belly fat by performing some convenient exercises. It only takes your 7 minutes daily effort that is performed by several military groups to get great fitness with the shape. How does the program work? The Flat Belly Fix by nature is not any category of comprehensive diet or program schedule. Neither it is any step-by-step procedure to apply on a daily basis or hour-by-hour weight loss schedule. What it is a combination of several strategies, tricks, and tips that you may apply to your lifestyle that promotes for healthy weight loss purpose. Overview of the program. 1. The 21-day system. This is one of the best things to start with this program, where you need to know about all health aspects, the diet to take, and the exercises to perform. It is advised to read it carefully before starting the steps and continue it even after losing weight to maintaining an ideal shape. For example, you are able to know every secret point regarding nutritional resources for human, munching habits, insulin level, triglycerides, proportions, and much more. 2. The 7-minute flat belly protocol. This includes the categories of several exercises. Each day of the week starts with several exercise protocol. However, you might go with any exercise schedule as per your liking to complete each day's protocol. It only takes your 7 minutes time to complete, which is not a difficult task to achieve. You will definitely experience the fat melting process on the body. Every exercise movement that you need to perform arrives with attached photos and instructions to follow for executing the steps properly, based on reps count and the number of time duration you need to take. It also explains clearly regarding the rest periods to take between each set. So, this is a comparative step to take that makes your workout habit easy and effective. 3. Smoothie recipe guide. Avocado, almond, banana nut, and there are a lot more to explore with the program. You get detailed steps and instructions to follow regarding the proper nutritional intake towards the diet course, which is very much enjoyable and tasty. You might consider preparing several smoothies mixed with almond milk, vanilla, nuts, wild berries, cinnamon, chocolate, coconut, and many more. This is an absolutely free guide that provides an additional bonus with the smoothie preparation, and that could be used as a replacement for several fitness eating programs. Additionally, you also receive a printable shopping list regarding the ingredients to shop for those delicate preparation. 4. VIP Online Coaching. VIP coaching schedule is a part of the Flat Belly Fix program that is absolutely free of cost and giving you an access towards several coaching tips for healthy weight loss goals in quick time. The duration of this program goes for 30 days that is sufficient to get the results. After the expiration of 30 days schedule, you receive a subscription to online coaching that costs you nearly $29 for each month. However, the coaching program is free of cost for 3 months regularly. Pros of the Flat Belly Fix. 1. One of the best and most convenient program that could be downloaded easily from an internet source and takes no time while purchasing it from other sources like cash on delivery or emails. 2. Describes one of the best convenient styles to perform regular exercises and eat plenty of nutritional foods for healthy weight loss goals. 3. Tons of customer reviews as mentioned on the official website who have gained success with the program and are guaranteeing that it is not any category of scam product. 4. Easy to access and download the program in PDF form. It is compatible with any Android or iOS device including tablets and smartphones. 5. It only explains the precise information and is not overloaded with extra waste materials. It is only based on the techniques of maintaining a healthy diet program. 6. Arrives with a 60-day money-back option for all new and old users. Cons of the Flat Belly Fix. 1. If you are not fond of reading materials over the internet, then this program might not suit your requirement because it asks for careful investigation of the mentioned topics. 2. The results arriving on the individual's health with their weight loss journey might vary from person to person. This is because every person has varied physique category and requirements. 3. Requires you to shop for specific ingredients at the nearest grocery store. This is not a good thing for those who are not fond of shopping and avoid to visit any store. 4. Does not provide any supplement pill or powder, which means you cannot expect any magical pills from this elite weight loss program. In the 21-day Flat Belly Fix program you'll learn 1. The best steps and strategies to elevate your fat-burning hormone by 1,300% in women and 2,000% in men. Your body becomes like a fat-burning machine that removes all unwanted fat compounds without causing any irritation. 2. Teaches you some specific tricks and techniques to reduce the depression chemicals present inside the brain. This controls your mood swings and emotional eating, aiding towards healthy weight loss goals naturally. 3. You will learn about the prevention of type 2 diabetes and maintaining the healthy blood sugar level to stay active and free from obesity concerns. 4. The best cheating habits towards your munching habits and reducing it to take controlled calories naturally. 5. You get along with Thyroid Accelerator method that teaches you to control its rate and aid for healthy weight goals that give success. 6. Tells you some secret steps to improve the ketosis process inside the body where your body utilizes the carbohydrate sources to turn into active energy boosters for healthy survival. 7. Gives you secret techniques to make your skin appear with flawless impression and stay away from the aging signs visibility. 8. Some detailed steps to reverse the insulin resistance and stay away from unhealthy occurrence. The great deal to purchase. The entire 21-day Flat Belly Fix program is offered at only $37. It's worth getting program rather than investing on other weight loss program and is a pretty great deal to grab. You know, there are no additional charges asked ever with no hidden tricky subscription scams. Additionally, with no extra charges applicable, you receive a handy 7 minutes to a slim belly system. Best smoothie preparation recipe book to cook all delicates with 1-month elite training tutorial for healthy exercises. If you were at the supermarket to grab these stuff that would cost $97 individually, which totals up to $287 overall. But with the special discount, you receive completely at $37, so claim the discount offered and grab this amazing weight loss deal that is affordable for all individuals. Customer review. John says, the best thing I love about this weight loss program is that the natural remedies offered here work absolutely without any cause. When I took the subscription I considered that it might not work well, but surprisingly it worked magically and the steps given are convenient to follow. Stacy says, it is one of the best and amazing program to download and access it conveniently. Those who ask for fitness routine must get this one to have best results. Information provided here is precise and of very much use, which makes it worthy of buying and adds the value of the money. It teaches you with the selection of best exercises and foods to stay fit and energetic. Peter says, the success rate with the program is 100%. In the other words, you get value of the money with taking this ebook subscription at only $37, which is affordable for all new and old class users. Almost every user has experienced great results with the weight loss sessions and never complained about the side effect occurrence to their health. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more about this program, then check the link in the description below.